drop some videos for the next couple.
Hi guys, it's Lisa from Border Balloons. Today I will show you how to make a simple baby shower balloon centerpiece. I inflated 8 pieces round latex balloon and make total of 4 duplets and 1 for It's a Girl for topper. I got 2 different colors, fuchsia, and this will be the bottom quad, and pink for the top quad. Grab the fuchsia, put them together to make a quad, wrap around and lock, and take the pink for the top quad, wrap around, make a quad, and then lock. And then grab 1 nozzle each quad and tie them together.
The following Thursday.
And now, take your foil, It's a Girl bear topper, grab in the neck, and take 1 nozzle from the pink quad and tie them together. Ta-da! Simple baby shower balloon centerpiece.